Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over diatonic chords in the key of C natural minor. For my students, I call these triad scales in the key of C minor. So all we're doing is taking the C natural minor scale and using the notes of this scale to make harmonies that fit into this key. We're going to do two things before we actually create the scales. The first thing we're going to do is review the notes of the C minor scale. C natural minor. Do is C, Re is D, Me, E flat, Fa, F, So, G, Le, A flat, Te is B flat, and Do is C. That's C minor scale. We're going to create harmonies using these keys only. So we'll encounter three types of chords in these diatonic harmonies in the key of C natural minor. And I'd just like to review those three types of chords first. And by the way, they will all be in root position. So we will encounter major chords, which consist of a major third on the bottom. So that's 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or on the keyboard, it's easy to see there's 3 keys in between the chord tones. And then on the top, you have a minor third, which is 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, or 2 keys in the middle. So major third on the bottom, minor third on the top equals a major chord. So minor chord will be the opposite of that, minor on the bottom, 3 half steps, or 2 keys in the middle, and then major third on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 3 keys in the middle. So minor plus major equals a minor chord. And then the third type of chord we'll encounter is called a diminished chord, and that's made up of 2 minor thirds. So minor third on the bottom, 1, 2, 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3 half steps, diminished chord. So now we're going to take the members of the C natural minor scale, creating triads with them, and these are the diatonic chords that occur in C natural minor. So our first chord, we're going to start on the first note of the scale. This is called the 1 chord because its root is Do, or the first note of the scale. So we have Do, we're going to skip Re, Me, we're going to skip Fa, and So. C, E flat, G. Minor third, major third, that creates a 1 chord, and our 1 chord in C natural minor is minor. Now moving up the scale, remember we're going to only use the notes that are in this scale. So we're going to move this one up to Re, moving up to Fa, and moving up to Le. So we have Re, Fa, Le. Our 2 chord is a diminished chord. Minor third on the bottom, minor third on the top. Only 2 keys in between these chord tones. Then moving up the scale, our next root note is going to be Me, So, and Te. E flat, G, B flat. You can hear already it's a major chord. Major third on the bottom, minor third on the top. 3 keys in between here, 2 keys in between here. So our 3 chord in C natural minor is major. Now moving up the scale, Me is going to come up to Fa, So coming up to Le, Te coming up to Do. Our 4 chord, minor, minor third, major third, F, A flat, C. Then our next chord, C natural minor, So, Te, Re. You can hear again, minor chord, minor third on the bottom, only 2 keys in between here, and major third on the top, 3 keys in between here. G, B flat, D, 5 chord in natural minor is minor. Then moving up to our 6 chord, it's going to be Le, Do, and Me. A flat, C, E flat. Major chord, major third, minor third. Finally, our 7 chord in C natural minor, root will be Te, Re, Fa. Also a major chord. Major third on the bottom, minor third on top, and then we're back at our 1 chord. So with my students, I call these triad scales. We get used to the keyboard geography or topography. You can feel where are the black keys in this scale and what do the harmonies sound like. So starting again at the bottom, we've got 1, minor, black key in the middle. 2, diminished, black key on the top. 3, major, black keys on the outside. 4, minor, black key in the middle. 5, minor, black key in the middle. 6, major, black keys on the outside. 7, major, black key on the bottom. And 1 is minor. And then practice it also down. Minor, major, major, minor, minor, major, diminished, minor. I like to practice these scales with both hands. They'll feel a little bit different when you do it with the left hand. But it's a great way to get used to the harmonies that are natural in the scale, as well as all of the black keys that are in the scale. What are your family members of C natural minor? So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also videos on piano literature and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.